Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 48 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to adjust photos inside of Microsoft Word. So you can see that this picture is a bit dark. I may want to increase its contrast and brightness, and to do that we are simply going to focus on the adjust ribbon over here. And over here you can see that I can actually remove the background and so forth because I can actually select this out, and you can see that it actually affects the background. So I have a sky background right there. This isn't as powerful as Photoshop or any graphic designing software, but you can keep the changes and you can see that the background actually has been removed right there. So it actually analyzes the background. So you can click remove background, and then over here mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. So I can actually click this, so I can actually draw it out, and you can see that I can mark areas to remove this out. So you can actually mark this out, and that has been applied. So I'm just gonna mark this out as well, and I'm gonna press keep changes, and you can see that that is how you can remove backgrounds inside of Microsoft Word. And then you can also do photo adjustment. I'm gonna just press Ctrl Z over here, so I'm gonna discard all changes right here to get back. And over here you have corrections. So what you can also do is you can actually soften it out or sharpen the image, as you can see. So you can sharpen out the image by like this. You can also go for brightness and contrast. So you can see that you have increased brightness and contrast right over here. So I can actually increase the sharpness of the picture and then increase the brightness and contrast to make it look more vivid. So you can also go for color right here. So there's saturation, so you can actually increase the saturation of the picture, as you can see right here. And then you can also give a color tone, so you can have a bluish color tint if you want. So that actually gives a cool look to it. You can also go over here and you can recolor to apply filters, just like in Instagram, as you can see, but I'm going to leave that out right there. You can also add an artistic effect, as we saw in the previous lesson, so you can also adjust this out just like that. So I'm going to leave that to default right here because I don't want anything. You can also reset the picture to get back to normal right there. So what you can also do is you can crop out the picture. So to crop out, simply click over here and then you get the handle. So you can actually crop out the picture as per your choice just by clicking and dragging and press enter, and that's how you crop out the pictures right there. So you can see that the lines has been regenerated over here. You can actually use crop and get back the portion that you want as well. So let's say I just want this portion of the picture, just press enter, and that's what I get. So I can actually resize right there, and if I want it back, I can simply click crop, and that actually comes up. You can also use the height and width to actually select this out individually, just like that. So you can adjust it from here as well. So I'm just going to go into more option of the picture correction right here. So I'm going to go over here anywhere. You can go to color or something, anything. You can go to color and anywhere. Just click on picture correction option and you can actually see this. So this is what we saw in the last lesson. This is where we are right now. So you can actually navigate it the other way around as well. So you can see that there's the picture correction option right here. You can also apply the preset as you want, but you can increase the sharpness. So just move this out right here. And to increase the brightness, just increase this out here. To increase the contrast, just increase this out here, or decrease that out to reduce the contrast. So you can see that picture corrections are quite easy right here. So that's how you correct the picture right there. In the picture color section, you can actually increase the saturation of the picture as well. So that's how you apply saturation. And to apply color tone, you can actually go for bluish or reddish. So you can see that this actually gives it a warmer look, and this actually gives it a cooler look. So you can actually use the slider right here to use what you want. You can also recolor it by different color options right here. So you can see there you can actually have this kind of a recolor if you want to. So I'm just gonna say none because I don't want any over there. So I can also go to crop right here. So you can increase the width and height of the crop. You can see that you can change the picture within the cropped area right there. You can change the height of the picture as well. You can set the offset to change the area of the crop right there. You can set the offset Y to change the area of the crop right here. So let's say, for example, if I want this area, I can simply select the offset. You can also increase and decrease the crop position right here to increase and decrease the height, just like this. So you can increase the height, increase the width, and decrease the width just like this, and crop the area. So that is how you can format pictures inside of Microsoft Word and make basic corrections to make your pictures look very good. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.